Welcome back. Today, we're going to explore the art and science of creating harmonious color schemes. Whether you're working on a personal project or a professional design, understanding how to balance colors effectively can make a huge difference. We'll dive into the principles of color harmony, share some relevant quotes, a story about a famous celebrity, and reference research to enrich your understanding. To start, let me ask you, have you ever seen a room, a painting, or a piece of design that just felt right? The colors seem to work perfectly together, creating a sense of balance and aesthetics. That's the power of a harmonious color scheme. Color harmony is about creating a pleasing arrangement of colors that enhances visual interest and coherence. There are several approaches to achieving this, including complementary, analogous, triadic, and monochromatic color schemes. Let's begin with complementary color schemes. These involve using colors that are opposite each other on the color wheel, like blue and orange or red and green. Complementary colors create a vibrant look, especially when used at full saturation. They can make designs pop and stand out, which is why they're often used in advertising and branding. Analogous color schemes use colors that are next to each other on the color wheel, such as blue, blue-green, and green. These schemes are pleasing to the eye and create a serene and comfortable design. They're often found in nature, which is why they feel so natural and cohesive. Triadic color schemes involve three colors that are evenly spaced around the color wheel, like red, yellow, and blue. This approach offers a high level of contrast while maintaining balance and harmony. It's a great way to create vibrant, lively designs. Monochromatic color schemes use variations in lightness and saturation of a single color. This scheme is very clean and elegant, creating a cohesive and soothing effect. It's perfect for minimalist designs and can be very sophisticated. Now let's add some depth with a relevant quote and a story about a famous celebrity who understands the power of color. Color is a power which directly influences the soul. Wassily Kandinsky. Kandinsky, a renowned artist, understood that color is not just a visual experience, but also an emotional one. This insight is shared by many designers and artists who use color to evoke specific feelings and reactions. Consider the story of legendary designer and celebrity, Iris Apfel. Known for her eclectic style and bold use of color, Iris Apfel has always embraced vibrant, harmonious color schemes in her fashion and home decor. She believes that color brings joy and energy, and she's known for her fearless combinations of bright, complementary colors. Iris's unique approach to color has made her an icon in the design world, proving that understanding and playing with color harmony can lead to extraordinary and inspiring results. To support our understanding, let's look at some research. A study published in the Journal of Experimental Psychology found that harmonious color combinations are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also improve cognitive performance and mood. The researchers concluded that environments with harmonious colors can enhance focus, productivity, and overall well-being. Mehta and Zhu, 2009. In another study from the International Journal of Design, researchers explored how color harmony affects user experience in web design. They found that websites with well-balanced color schemes had higher user satisfaction and engagement rates. Head and Larios, 2010. This demonstrates the practical importance of color harmony in creating effective and engaging digital experiences. As we wrap up, think about how you can apply these principles of color harmony in your own projects. Whether you're decorating a room, designing a website, or creating artwork, consider how different color schemes can enhance your work. Which colors will create the mood you're aiming for? How can you balance vibrant contrasts with soothing harmonies? In our next lesson, we'll explore how color influences branding and marketing, and how you can use color strategically to enhance brand identity. Until then, experiment with different color schemes and observe how they affect your perception and emotions. See you next time.
As you continue to explore and grow with this course, we'd like to gently remind you about something very important. Have you shared your thoughts on our course yet? If not, we'd love to hear from you. Your feedback is invaluable to us. It's the compass that guides us in improving and tailoring our content to better suit your learning needs. Rating this course doesn't just help us, It also assists your fellow students in navigating their learning journey. By sharing your experience, you're lighting a path for others to follow, helping them make informed decisions about their education. It's quick and easy, just a few clicks right here, but the impact of your words will resonate far and wide. Think about it. Your insight today could be the beacon for someone's learning journey tomorrow. So if you haven't yet, please take a moment to leave a review. Let us know what you loved and what you'd like to see more of. Your voice is integral to our community of learners. Happy learning, and we're eagerly waiting to hear from you.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.